Hey, welcome once again to another video. So what I'm going to explain on how you can access your EC2 instance, your AWS EC2 instance on your machine using SSH. So this is a point where I will use my terminal to access the virtual instance that I just created into my Windows application. So I'm going to move straight to it. I'm going to show you one way of accessing it just virtually, where you can just click instance. This is the instance that we created. If you didn't see how an instance is created, you can just click the link that is in the description, where you can see how an instance is being created. Okay, now here let me first click the instance here. This is my instance, so let me click it here. Then I'm going to click here at the bottom. You can see connect, where I can connect by just clicking Ubuntu. Then I'm going to create, like here I can just create I can just click here connect, where I will be redirected to an online terminal where I can access. It will just log in direct to the EC2 using the web, using the browser. But most of the people don't like using this because it's hectic, and accessing it, you need to go to AWS website, you log into your AWS, then you can just click connect and get connected via browser, and it's so hectic. But most people prefer using SSH method, where you can access your EC2 via Windows. Now let me just cancel here, then just come here to this connect to instance, then you can just click here SSH open, so you can see how you can connect in your instance using SSH. You can see here step 1, open an SSH client, then all this. So the thing I'm going to show you, remember when we created the instance on the first video, we downloaded this demo key.pem on our desktop application. So it means when you come here, this is where we downloaded it. I'm going to show you the most simplest way of how you can connect it with EC2. So just click here and copy the key, and the next thing which you're going to do, just open your folder, then your Explorer, the Windows Explorer. Then you can just click on your local, the main disk, local disk C. Then just click user, then HP. For mine is HP. If you want to know where you are going to create the, you're going to paste the keys, just click Windows key R, then write CMD and enter. This, you can see it's C user HP. For mine, yours will be different if you have made changes to your laptop. So you can just click here at HP, then access a folder which is called .ssh. Then here, then the key that we copied on our desktop, you can just come here and paste it. When you paste it, you will see at the demo key.pm. So you can just link to your you can open the CMD as we had opened before. When you click Windows key R, then write CMD, enter, then you will this is what will appear. Then just CD, move to current redirectory, redirect to current redirectory, then and write .ssh, so that we can move to that folder which is called .ssh, then enter. After that, we are going you can just write here dir, where you can see this is the demo key that we pasted. And now you can just come here to your EC2, then just copy this link here, this example. You can just click this link, then you are going to click that, then on the SSH, because we have the key, you can just paste it there, then you click enter. When you click enter, let us wait it to load. Okay, now we are in. For us, because we had installed the key previously, now it has redirected us into the it has directed us into the instance, the EC2 instance direct. But if you're installing the key for the first time, it will ask you if you need to enable a fingerprint or something. Then just click yes, and then you will be logged in direct to your EC2 instance, and that's how you access it. You can see I can just write here update. It means that I'm in that instance, which its OS is Ubuntu, so we are using Linux, the Linux command line, because our instance has an OS which is Ubuntu. So like I can write update, so that you can see I'm accessing the Ubuntu, the instance which has an Ubuntu OS. Update. Then you can just click. You can see here I have, so I can do any Linux command like ls. I can do any Linux command here. So that's how you access your EC2 instance on your Windows using SSH. So see you in my next video, where I'll explain what you need to know about EC2s and how you can host your website. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because you watching the video is what motivates me to put more and more videos. So make sure you subscribe and let us reach the 100 not 100k, but 100k is possible, but let us reach the 1000 subscribers. So see you in the next video.